The reason why I picked the Milwaukee Stubby Impact is because it's smaller, lightweight, and it fits into some small spaces better than my high torque. And I need something less heavy, but yet it's still powerful enough to remove some nuts and bolts. And I'm gonna compare the difference between the Stubby and my high torque impact gun. And this is why I like the Stubby more, because it's lighter and it's less strain on my hand, and it fits into some small areas a little bit better than my high torque.